Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make my raspberry muffin recipe with dark chocolate. I hope you're going to enjoy them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom. Thank you. For this we're going to need baking powder, dark chocolate, frozen raspberries, milk, an egg beaten, caster sugar, butter, vanilla extract and some plain flour. To start off with, I'm going to put my 50 grams of butter into a pan, and then I'm going to gently heat it until it's all melted. Now while that's melting, I'm just going to beat my egg. And I'm going to add that to my milk. Beat those together just to amalgamate. Is that a word? I said it right. There we go, that's the milk done. In this bowl, I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And while I've got the teaspoon out, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. It smells lovely. I love vanilla essence. Now in my big bowl, I'm just going to pour in my plain flour and my baking powder and the caster sugar. I'm just going to use a fork to whisk them together and add some air into the flour. You could sift the flour, but this just mixes the caster sugar and the baking powder together. And that's it. And now we're just waiting for the butter to melt, and then we're ready to put everything else together. Now the butter is melted, we're just going to pour that gently into the milk and whisk as we go. Now we're just going to pour that into our dry ingredients. Give it a stir round till the flour has all gone in. That. And now the next bit, again, really easy. We're just going to put in our dark chocolate and our frozen raspberries. I use frozen raspberries because they hold their shape in the oven and then they just pop as they're cooking, so it works really well. You could use fresh ones, but I just find these work better. And that's it. Now that it's all mixed, all we do is we put it in our pastry cases. These are nice, large, pretty muffin cases that I found. And they do rise up quite well in the oven. And now, all that's left to do is to put them in the oven at 200 for 25 to 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. I do hope you're going to enjoy these raspberry muffins with chocolate. I'm now going to have one with a nice cup of tea. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Fabulous. Rubbing your head. moving back, pulling faces. And you
Love it.